Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Komang Astuti Dewi with NPM 224111071 from the Management Study Program, a student at Teknokrat Indonesia University. On this occasion, I will explain the material regarding the basic concepts of industrial and organizational psychology in the Industrial Psychology course. Industrial and Organizational Psychology, IOP, is a branch of psychology that applies psychological principles to the context of the workplace. The primary goal of IOP is to understand human behavior in the workplace and to find ways to improve individual and overall organizational performance. Definition of Industrial and Organizational Psychology. Industrial and organizational psychology can be defined as the study of human behavior in the context of work, which includes aspects such as individual behavior, understanding motivation, job satisfaction, and individual performance. Social interaction, analyzing group dynamics, communication, and leadership in organizations. Organizational development, applying psychological theories to improve the overall effectiveness of an organization. Basic concepts of PIO, namely the first human behavior at work. PIO studies how factors such as personality, motivation, emotion, perception, and learning affect individual behavior in the workplace. Second, group dynamics. PIO also analyzes how interactions between individuals in work groups, leadership dynamics, and organizational culture affect group performance. Third, job design. PIO plays a role in designing effective and efficient jobs, including determining tasks, responsibilities, and relationships between jobs. Fourth, selection and placement. PIO helps in the process of selecting the right employees based on competency and suitability to the job and organizational culture. Fifth, training and development. PIO develops effective training programs to enhance employee skills and knowledge and assist in career development. Sixth, performance evaluation. PIO creates an objective and fair performance evaluation system to measure employee contributions to the organization. Seventh, employee welfare. PIO pays attention to employee welfare aspects, such as job satisfaction, job stress, and work-life balance. And finally, learning organization. PIO encourages the organization to become an organization that continues to learn and adapt to changes in the business environment. The objectives of PIO are: first, improving performance. PIO aims to improve employee productivity, work quality, and job satisfaction. Second, improving work relationships. PIO seeks to create a positive and supportive work environment and improve the relationship between employees and management. Third, reducing employee turnover. PIO helps organizations retain the best employees by creating an interesting and challenging work environment. Fourth, improving organizational efficiency. PIO helps organizations achieve business goals in a more efficient and effective manner. Fifth, employee selection and assessment. Developing methods to select the most suitable candidates for a particular position. Sixth, training and development. Designing training programs to improve employee skills. Seventh, performance management. Implementing an appraisal system to improve productivity. Eighth, job satisfaction. Improving employee satisfaction through appropriate interventions. Last, developing. Implementation of PIO in the world of work. Namely, PIO has many applications in the world of work, including the first, recruitment, helping in compiling ideal candidate profiles and developing psychological tests for selection. Then second, training, designing training programs that suit the needs of employees and the organization. Performance evaluation, developing an objective and fair performance appraisal system. The third, organizational consultation, providing solutions to organizational problems, such as conflict between employees or decreased motivation. And the last, organizational design, helping in designing an effective and efficient organizational structure. Tips for effective employee selection. First, clear and specific. Create a clear and specific job description. Then second, use various selection methods. combine various selection methods to get a comprehensive picture of the prospective employee. Then third, train interviewers, provide training to interviewers so that they can ask relevant and objective questions. Fourth, pay attention to company culture, choose prospective employees whose values are in line with the company culture. And finally, avoid discrimination, make sure the selection process is carried out fairly and non-discriminatory. The benefits of effective employee selection are: first, improving company performance. The right employees will increase productivity and work quality. Second, reducing employee turnover rate. Employees who feel a good fit for their job and the company tend to stay longer. Third, strengthening company culture. New employees who share the same values will strengthen the company culture. Industrial and organizational psychology, IO, can help in managing workplace stress through several strategies and interventions that are based on psychological research. Here are some ways that IO can help. 1. Identifying sources of stress. IO psychologists can analyze factors that cause workplace stress, such as excessive workload, interpersonal conflict, and financial problems. 2. Designing a positive work environment. Creating a conducive and supportive work environment can reduce stress. These strategies include creating a comfortable workspace, promoting a culture of trust, collaboration, and inclusivity. 3. Relaxation and coaching programs. IO psychologists can design relaxation and coaching programs to help employees manage stress. Examples of these programs include relaxation techniques, muscle stretching, and meditation. 4. Effective communication. Effective communication between management and employees is essential in reducing stress. IO psychologists can help improve communication by providing constructive feedback and involving employees in the decision-making process. 5. Employee capacity development. Improving employees' ability to cope with stressful situations through training and professional development. IO psychologists can design specific training programs to improve stress management skills. 6. Individual and organizational interventions. Interventions conducted individually or organizationally can help reduce the impact of stress. For example, providing social assistance through performance upgrades and performance evaluations, and implementing spiritual programs such as Tazkiyatun Nafs. 7. Data analysis and evaluation. IO psychologists use accurate data to evaluate the effectiveness of work stress interventions. This analysis helps identify areas for improvement and develop new strategies to reduce stress. Thus, industrial and organizational psychology not only helps reduce work stress but also improves the overall well-being of employees, which in turn increases productivity and job satisfaction. Industrial and organizational psychology, IOP, has various strategies to improve employee job satisfaction. Here are some strategies that can be applied, namely: first, effective selection and placement, ensuring that recruited employees have the skills, values, and personalities that match the company's needs. The right selection process helps create a strong, high-performing team, which contributes to job satisfaction. Second, training and development, providing training programs designed to improve employee skills and support their career development. Investing in training not only improves competence but also shows that the company cares about employee growth, which can improve job satisfaction. Third, fair performance management, implementing an objective performance evaluation system and providing constructive feedback. Employees feel more appreciated when they get fair assessments and support for further development. Fourth, positive organizational culture, building an inclusive and supportive organizational culture where employees feel appreciated and motivated. A positive work environment can increase overall job engagement and satisfaction. 5. Work flexibility, providing flexibility in working hours or the option to work from home. This flexibility can help employees manage the balance between personal life and work, thereby increasing job satisfaction. 6th, reducing job stress, identifying and reducing stress factors in the workplace, such as excessive workload or poor communication. By creating a more comfortable work environment, employees will feel more satisfied. 7. Encouraging healthy lifestyles. Encouraging healthy lifestyles through wellness programs, such as group sports activities or providing healthy food in the office. Physical health contributes to mental well-being and job satisfaction. 8. Socialization opportunities. Creating opportunities for employees to socialize through recreational events or seating arrangements that facilitate communication. Social connections in the workplace can increase feelings of belonging and satisfaction. By implementing these strategies, organizations can create a work environment that supports, motivates, and increases overall employee job satisfaction, which in turn will have a positive impact on the productivity and success of the organization.